So here I am wetting my mustache to prepare it for the big trim. Sorry for my voice, I'm sick, but I couldn't wait any longer for this video. I'm deciding to try more functional facial hair. That's what I'm calling it anyway. Basically, I'm just trying to enhance my features. As you can see, I have a spot that's basically bald under my chin, but my chin itself is really full. That works out for me because underneath I don't have a very strong chin. So leaving some hair there is going to help with the appearance of that. The growth on the sides also aren't that strong. I could cover it all up by growing out a longer beard, but I just really don't want to. So what I'm going for instead is a little disconnected goatee, so the chin and mustache aren't connected. I've done this before with a longer pointed chin area, so this time I'm going to bring it a little tighter and see how that looks. After lining up the chin area, I ended up going over it with a number 3. Later on, off screen, I ended up going over it with a number 2, and I like that a little better. But while I'm finishing that up, I will say that I've made a lot of content off of having a handlebar mustache, but I've been trying to focus more on putting my haircutting content on here, because at the end of the day, I want to be the barber guy, not the mustache guy. So here I am wetting my mustache to prepare it for the big trim. The other day I realized that I hadn't styled it in over 2 months, so that was how I made the decision that it was time for it to go. I made sure to get a close-up of it to make it nice and satisfying to watch. If you only followed me for the handlebar, I'm sorry, but I will be doing other self-grooming videos, and who knows, maybe I'll grow the handlebar back one day. So there you have it, the big trim. Maybe subconsciously, seeing Johnny Depp in the media so much lately made me want to go with this style, but I do think it enhances my facial features. Let me know if you think doing this was a mistake, or if you think it makes me look more handsome, and tell me if you think I should change my logo or not now. I am on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Please interact with all of those as much as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll get out of your hair now.